Name the following places where articles made in Rome were found: Kolhapur in Maharashtra and Arikamedu in Tamil Nadu. A new style of art that emerged during the Kushana period in India. Gandhara School of Art. The language of the books Mahavansa and Jeevansa. Pali language. A country to which Buddhism had spread in the ancient period. Sri Lanka. Think and expand. Elaborate. Indian culture had an impact on Southeast Asia. Indian culture had a deep impact on the art and cultural life of Southeast Asia. Dance dramas based on stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata are popular in Indonesia even today. In later years, temples of Lord Shiva and Vishnu were also built there. The spread of Buddhism in China became easier. In the 1st century CE, the Ming Emperor of China invited the Buddhist bhikkhus Dharmarakshaka and Kashyapmatanga to China. The bhikkhus translated many Indian Buddhist texts into the Chinese language. This gave impetus to the spread of Buddhism in China. What would you do if you are encouraged in your favorite hobby? If someone encouraged me, it will make me very happy and boost my self-confidence. Thus, I will further expand my horizon by gaining more knowledge and enhancing my hobby. Find out more about the Gandhara style of art. Under the influence of the Greek art of sculpture, a new form of art emerged in India during the Kushana period. It is called Gandhara School of Art. In the Gandhar art, school images of Gautam Buddha were mainly carved. The Silk Route. Chinese silk was in great demand in India. Merchants in ancient India supplied Chinese silk to Western countries. The land route by which the silk trade was carried on was called the Silk Route. Some ancient places in India were connected to this route. The Chinese Buddhist bhikkhus also came to India through this Silk Route.